Alright, so in this video we're going to be removing a rear bench seat off of a Mega Cab. This is a 2020. We're using a 18mm socket. Alright, so on the passenger side you have plugs. If your truck has heated seats, you have to disconnect these plugs. So you have one right there, and you have this one right here. Actually on both sides, driver's side as well. Alright, so now we're going to be removing these 18mm bolts. These are the front ones. Alright, so we took all the front 18mm bolts. There's a nut over there. Stick right there. Alright, now we fold the seats. Alright, so we're going to be removing the seat frame completely. So we're going to be taking out these 18mm bolts. Not these little ones. I think those are 12 and 13. But these 18mm only. So there's another one right there. Should be another one right here. And same thing on the driver's side all up there. Alright, so we're using an extension to make it a little easier. And to make it a little easier, we usually try to take the headrests off so it kind of fits through the door way better. And to take the headrest off fully, you have to press this one and this one as well at the same time and pull on it. Alright, so the seat is fully bolted. You will need like 2 people minimum to move this thing. It's really heavy. It's all one piece. So I'm not going to be able to do it right now, but it just gives you an idea how the seat is bolted down to the truck.